Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video I'm going to show you how to find your messenger username. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the messenger app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Now launch the app and sign in. On your screen you can see options like menu, search bar, create new message and your old conversations. All you have to do is go to the menu on the top left corner. Under that, select settings. Now all you have to do is scroll down, and under account center you can see options like personal details and password and security. Tap on see more in account center. Once you go there, go below, tap on profiles. Under profiles, select Facebook. Then you can see options like name, username, profile picture, avatar, etc. All you have to do is select username, and guys, there you go. There you can find your messenger username. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.